Hello viewers, welcome back. This is the pre-market video for tomorrow, that is 4th November 2020. Yesterday I have marked this gap border swing high supply PDH PDC. This gap border still remains valid for tomorrow as well. See, there is a price rejection is happening, but it is not clearly evident. But tomorrow we'll get to know whether the price will be rejected here or it will cross this gap border and move upside. So the PDH will be here and PDC is very near to the PDH and gap border. So this became a cluster and we already know that gap border will be very strong support or resistance. Now for tomorrow session this will act like a resistance. And swing high supply this will act like a support and this PDH is no more valid to me. I will remove it. This PDC also no more valid. I'll remove it. You can take this carry forward this single pin. This is valid to me and this PDL also you can remove. So PDH, PDC, and gap border okay, and swing high or supply this is okay, fine, and this single print. Let's search is there if there is any single print for today's session. Yeah, yeah, there is a single print from this area to this area. Is a single print. Let's lock this. Also extend this single print. Lock this as well. Fine, and keep here single print. Single print. And move this swing high supply zone over here. Since the swing high is already touched, this zone will act like a support for tomorrow. If this breaks, you can see a fall, and this single print also will act like a support. If this falls, it the next target will be here, and you can see this demand zone. The demand zone will be here. Why? Because from this point onwards, from this, sorry, let me remove this. Yeah, from this point onwards, Bank Nifty has seen a huge rally of almost 1000 2000 points, 2150 points we have seen. So this zone will act like a demand zone. So that will be like a strong support. This has gone up to here. So this is like a demand zone or support. So we have marked PDH, PDC and PDL. That's fine. This PDL and this single pin zone and this swing high zone is acting like a cluster. Fine. And let's see the CPR. Today we have a virgin CPR. So tomorrow this will act like a strong support or resistance. Again, I will change the color for this to pink color. Let me lock this and keep the right name as Virgin CPR over here. Yeah, you have Virgin CPR over here also, but when compared to these two Virgin CPR, which is powerful if you ask me, the it is more powerful because it is more wider in width than this one. Anyhow, keep a CPR mark here. So this is also Virgin CPR. This also will act like a strong support or resistance. Keep it over here and then lock this. Lock this as well. Fine. Again, this formed like a cluster. This single print and Virgin CPR is act like a cluster. Let's see for tomorrow pivots if there are any matchings. Yeah, tomorrow S1 also matching with the swing high and supply. So again, it is falling into this cluster. So from this, you can understand this zone is very important for tomorrow. And R1, anyhow, it is in the gap border. Fine. Let's see if there are any weekly pivots matching with that. Yeah, there is one weekly pivot is matching with this again cluster. Fine. Let's see if there are any monthly pivots. Monthly pivots, yeah, it is matching with this one. Again, this forming a very cluster that shows not daily tomorrow. Yeah. If you see here, this zone will act like a strong support or resistance for tomorrow. This zone may most of the weekly pivot, daily pivot, swing high, single print, virgin CPR. Sorry, not virgin CPR. Everything is acting over here. So this is like a one cluster. Let's go to the higher time frame. Say 1 hour. It's not coming. 1 hour. I think computer got struck. Yeah. In 1 hour, you don't have any. We have already marked this swing high and this one. That's fine. Yeah. So these are the important levels to be marked for tomorrow. Hope you liked the video. See you tomorrow. Bye.